From the city streets to the desert plains, everyone is turning to sublimation printing for their clothing designs. And if you are serious about sublimation, then the three-phase industrial-grade Heatware 12-kilowatt open-drum oil roller heat press from AM.CO.za will absolutely amaze you. This 1-ton super solid state-of-the-art oil roller heat press is ideal for your sublimation wear projects. With specialized air-pressured expansion, take-up and feeder rollers for your sublimation paper for maximum leveling and tension, and practical take-up and feeder stations for your material, you can enjoy sublimating entire rolls of material in single sessions. It is an open drum system, allowing the drum to become full of oil and ensuring even heat distribution to the blanket. And sensors on either side of the blanket make sure that it remains straight at all times. And a deskewer system provides automatic alignment at all times as well. It only takes around 50 minutes to heat up to the operating temperature of 220 degrees Celsius and around an hour to cool down. In fact, it will automatically stop the drum from rolling at 95 degrees Celsius in the cool-down process, at which stage you can safely turn the machine off. And it only consumes 50 watts in standby mode until you do turn it off. It is a powerful, competent, and power-efficient workhorse in the world of sublimation. And if you are serious about sublimation, you should definitely come and take a look at the Heatware 12-kilowatt open drum oil roller heat press from AM.CO.za for yourself. Just call sales to book an appointment.